changer for me. It really is. To be able to plant in the ground. It's such a game changer. I don't got my proper stuff, but I got this knife right here, and it's doing the work. Space, you know, to do a lot of things. A lot of space. Really hot out here. I'll be out here naked. Doing this shit naked. Not so hot. It's kind of chilly. Test out this American style. Test out the American style. This is my community. They may not want it, but it's in the bush, so technically it's alright. We'll see. Let's see. Alright. Now that we find a little bed now, first I was doing it in pots, but I found a local place in the back of the community. They said as long as it's in the bush, then you can't trouble it, so I'll take a chance right now with the American style. You know it's possible. Because Mother Earth can do whatever the fuck she wants. Planted it. Mother Earth just... all you need is seed and sunlight. Shit. Look, you finished?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you did good.
I feel like I'm finished, right?
Yeah, so you finished.
So what about how you made it kind of come up a little bit? Should I do that? Or just put my seeds? Because I already have a lot bloom. Like I got tomatoes. They look yours. Green. Ready?
Get that thing and use. Then you put it together. Come and use that thing and use. You put the sand together.
Okay.
Then you use it together. Anyone? Yeah. You take it and make it together.
Okay, like so.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you come.
Okay. Like so?
That's all. Then you shape it.
Oh, shape it.
Shape it, yeah.
Okay. Oh gosh, yes.
That thing is strong.
Yes, it is.
Strong.
Oh, mercy. I'm stepping on it.
Yeah, don't step on it. Then if you make it, it will be a basin garden.
Okay, so.
It's okay. Do it like this.
Oh. Make it soft.
Now you come. It's okay. Don't put it together. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Level it.
Okay.
Level it.
Level it. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Then if you bring a plant, then you dig a sand like inside, then you put it.
Okay, like.
Don't remove the stand.
Oh, okay. This thing.
Come, let me show you.
Oh yeah, show me. Alright. Mama teaching me. Give thanks for the teachings. We give thanks for the teachings. Mama from Africa. See them ants. give thanks for the teachings, you know. Finally gonna have my little bed. I have my dirt already. Gonna plant some tomato. I'm gonna plant some I'm not sure about the cabbage. I have cabbage up there already, and I'm thinking about planting some cabbage down here. Right now, tomato for sure. No, for sure we want a tomato. Make this deeper and longer. Get all the sticks out, get all the stones out. Occasional worms. I don't want them to try to eat my things. Oh, the stem in there. I love these beautiful rocks. I save the rocks because I put them at the bottom of my pots. No? It's a beautiful thing when you can grow and you can eat what you plant. It's a beautiful thing being self-sustained. Right now, I'm taking horticulture to a whole new level for me. I want to live self-sustained. This is just the beginning. You know? This is just the beginning. Hopefully they don't trouble me. My little planting. Because of whatever reason. But them say as long as I'm close to the bush, it's considered the bush property and not the people property. So, I consider this the community garden. Boy, I'm gonna carry it out. They're gonna have to come put yellow tape around this dirt. Bruh. Look how nature is just free. Free. And they're trying to getting all the sticks out right now. Trying to law it up and vine it up. In nature, all you need is some seeds, sun, water. Imagine. Mama! Yes. Alright. Good day.
Yeah, thank you. I see something here. Okay.
I live right here.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. We're gonna go get some, time to go get some tomato and everything for put into the ground. Now, trying to get all of these loose. You know, yes, we're in Atlanta. Specifically, we're in Norcross. We live in apartments. And technically, no land is your land, just your apartment, that's your own. But this morning, I see Mama. I call every grandma Mama. So if you hear me say Mama, it means she's a grandma from Africa. And I see her a plant. And me, I got my little area on the patio up there. And I'm planting everything in pots. But you see, I see her plant, and boy, I'll tell you, my heart skipping. We get excited, come get more information, find out that we can do it. So here we are, making a plant bed in the community backyard. all right, it's not the community backyard, but technically they don't want it on the property. So technically, I'm in the bush. They call it bush. And they can't trouble you once you're in the bush. You know? So we'll see. We'll see. we'll see how this go. If they're gonna come chop down my plants. Anyway, I'm gonna plant some tomato, cucumber. I'm very skeptic about putting my potatoes out here. True, Mama tell me that I'm not to put too much things on the ground, and you know it's hard to keep it germinate, and you know I have to investigate more because potato very fast to grow. Potatoes take like 6 months, and I'm speaking from experience. I'm in the middle of the process and I'm learning as I go along. So don't take me as no professional, but one thing with Mother Nature is it works by a certain set of laws and rules. And once you cooperate with those rules, you can be as creative as you like. And that is just a beautiful, beautiful thing about nature. You know, I got people waving at me outside, out the window. Bruh. Build a garden bed. Do you know that you walk on the ground? Do you know that you walk on dirt, bruh? You can find yourself a little space, even if it's a little baby space. Start it, get it going. This is the season, this is the time. The best time is now. Start your bed. You don't even have to buy plants. I'm just trying to tell you how serious this is. You can literally have a potato with an eye on it, and you can cut off the part of the potato with the eye on, leave a piece of the potato with it, put it inside of a glass with some water, and then you can, then after you leave it for a couple of days, then it starts to grow roots. Then you can take the same roots and put it into the ground and it grow potato. Tell me Mother Nature ain't the shit, bruh. And guess what? You can do the same thing with green onion. You can do the same thing with onion. Wait till I show you my onions that I grow. Just chopping off a piece of the onion and putting it in. Look at these worms. The worms go hard, you see? You know. There you go. You go, worm. Yes, I was a child who played in the dirt. Look at the worm here. Anyway, see people I watch. It's all good. And I hurt nobody. We're just bringing forth more life. Anyway, we're gonna go upstairs and bring you with me. And we're gonna start plant. I'm ready. You're ready. Ready. No. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited, bro. We're going upstairs. We'll get some tomato. I'll see you next worm. Mud. Anyhow, we're going now. Go get some tomato. Time to plant now. Serious thing, you know. I know I don't need my mask, but I was talking to some people and you know what? No spit droplets on my lip. You don't want to catch anything in a barn with. Anyway, we're going upstairs to my little play garden in the pots, and we're gonna go grab some of the things that I've been planting, and we're gonna go put it in the ground. Boy, they're gonna never trouble me, you see. You trouble me for flowers. Bruh, nobody gonna go back there. That's like my own little space back there. It belongs to the bush, to the land. Anyway. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We're going to my place now. To my area. What are you guys saying? Hey, how you doing? Well, I love you guys. I don't have to know you to love you. I love me I work with. I love me I deal with. Anyway, we're going inside. Right? That gets serious. It's serious, man. It's serious. See my little, what I've been working on? I've been playing. But it's about to get serious because I'm about to take everything down into my garden. See down there? You see that garden bed down there? Okay. I got tomatoes on a plant. See, we got enough mint down there, so we're just gonna allow the mint for now. I got some pepper, some tomato. I gotta figure out how to grow pear, because that I'm not really sure about. But we have tomato, we have cabbage. What's this? See? Alright, so remember what I was telling you about taking off the eye of the potato and putting it into a cup? Let me show you something. Look at this. Can you see it? Let me clean it. Do you see this right here? This was the potato. I cut it off with the potato. That right there. For 3 weeks, it turned into this. All I did was take the same little piece right here and put it at the bottom of this pot. And by 2, 3, 4 weeks, it grew to this. That I talk about. But right now, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna plant potatoes down there. I gotta test out the ground. I gotta test out the soil. I don't know what to expect. To be honest. I just always had it in my mind like American style. Superstition, okay? Because in Jamaica, you just throw a seed anywhere and it grows. Period, okay? You just grow it, and when you come back to it, so that's why we were skeptical. So we have tomato, we have potato, we have cabbage. I'm gonna take these down there. And onion. Okay, so remember what I tell you about the onion now? Watch the onion now. And my onions stopped growing because I kept moving them too much. But I'm telling you, I'm about to make the final move right now. Because I'm about to put it in the ground. See, I have Scotch bonnet here. But Mama said the last time she used Scotch bonnet, the bees ate it. So I'm gonna take care of the Scotch bonnet personally. Keep it in the pot. We have cabbage right here. I don't know if you can see it if I'm holding the camera right. The cabbage this here. I'm not ground yet. So we're gonna see about that. As far as that, that's garlic. And off we go, alright? Now waste no more time, bro. Gonna take down all of my ties. You know. One second. Uh-oh. He coming for me. Oh, go on, man. Alright. You alright, man? He coming for me. The baby like, where mommy? You see this now? See the onion? I'm gonna go plant this. Boy, look how fast you crawl. Hey, man. Daddy let you go, huh? Daddy let you free. I wonder if I should put some of this dirt. I think I am, but I don't know. Anyway, we're going down. Hey, man. You want to say hi? Hey. What's good? What's good, man? Mr. Zenny. How's on, Zenny? I know what you came out here to do, boy, and it's not gonna happen. Yeah? It's not gonna happen. And I'm kind of dirty too. Bye. No, 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 no. Come, come. Oh, dirty as fuck. No. No, 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 no. Oh, shoot. Hold on a sec. Dirty. Dirty. Come. I'm gonna get dirty, baby. Going down. Going down. Hush, hush. Hush, hush. Soon come. Soon come. Put these in the ground and come back. I'll put this in the ground and come back. Why? I'm not playing. Yes, I'm a lady, you know. So, we're moving right along. We're moving right along. There we go. See? I see somebody. But like I said, we're not doing anything wrong. And them can go on. Watch, watch. One thing I know is I never put the little garden bed on the property. They're in the bush. Oh, boy, still a cry. Hear him. You go hard. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ugh. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I'm so soup right now. Like, bruh. I'm beyond excited right now. Like I said, for those who just came. Oops, why did I just do that? Have mercy. Me and Georgia, we live in an apartment place. Yes, usually you're not supposed to do nothing. But I'm saying if you're close to the bush, if you're near the bush, then technically it's in the bush. So, that's right there. Hey, baby. You Captain America?
What?
What are you, Captain America?
Look.
Who are you?
Look my picture.
Oh.
Like that.
Transformers.
What are you doing?
I'm planting.
My mom and you planted too.
Yeah?
My mom and another plant.
Yeah? What kind of plants?
My mom with the plant, it go big and big and big.
Ooh.
And plant and with the plant and what I around it. And we got just like that.
Ooh.
Like what food.
Food.
Got flower and plant with food. Flower.
Yes.
Flower. Flower needs food.
Yes. Did you eat it?
One day I was crossing the plant and I saw carrot. And when I eat the carrot was soup.
It was sweet? And you eat the carrot and soup?
And what? That's why you planted.
Yes, that's why I'm
Why you
planting.
planting?
I'm planting because I want to make some soup, and I want to make some. I want to eat some potatoes.
Potato.
Yeah.
I like potato.
You like potatoes?
And carrots.
And carrots. I love carrot too. And then I'm gonna make some cucumbers.
Cucumber.
Mhm.
Yeah. Cucumber have lot of salt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, we're going to try to plant a lot.
A lot?
Yes. So
My
everybody
mom,
can
my
eat.
My mom, a piece of planting the.
This is
My
not
mom,
ready.
a piece of planting and the ground.
Yeah.
Because my mom hurt the arm. My mom.
Oh.
Hurt her arm. My mom.
She hurt her arm?
Because she planted all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. That was.
Mom.
It hurt her mom.
Mom, have to be careful.
Oh, a worm.
You like worm?
Yeah.
You want it?
The worm. Yeah.
You can take it.
The worm no bite.
No, no bites.
My friend how a worm. He say, ow, that hurts.
Oh, yes?
Hey, where's the worm go?
He's right here.
Oh. Come on, little worm.
Maybe he find a worm that bites. I don't know.
Eat.
I don't know no
That
bites.
bite.
No, it bites you?
No.
Want to see a big one?
Yeah.
See a big one here.
Oh my God.
He's so big.
Oh my God, I was. Oh, car. Look at he wearing car. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Eee. How the worm go in the ground?
Because he dig and dig and he dig and he dig. And
How?
How? Oh. You know?
Oh, what?
That's a good question.
The worm
He go like this and he slide through. Because
and to eat the ground.
yes.
Why the worm like ground?
Because I think
A
it's
little
worm.
worm.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
It's a worm. It's 2 worms.
Wow, it's squishy.
Yes, it is. It's squishy.
It's soft.
What's your name?
Tilakatona.
Tilakotana.
Tana.
Tilakotana? Say it again.
Tilakatona. Tilakatona.
Tilakotana. I'm Mercy. You squiggling, right? Tilakotana. Wow. ¿Cuántos años?
The worm and
You fought? Oh, 4?
one time my mom said I will play like this.
You're going to be one day.
Pero not my birthday. Today not my birthday.
No.
One day my sister throw one day my sister throw my cake. Pero my mom said I will plan. I will cram another. I will comprar another. I will comprar another package. See?
Let me see.
Okay, mom.
Okay.
Tell my mom that.
Oh, yeah?
My mom
Yeah.
play. My mom can talk. Hola. That was my mom can talk like this. Hola.
Oh, she speaks Spanish. She don't speak English? Okay.
And my mom can hello. Hola.
Oh, yeah?
And auntie, pero my mom
Look at this one.
oh my God.
Look at this one.
Oh my God.
So you're not scared?
No.
That's good.
This is baby.
When I go to Jamaica, when I'm in Jamaica, when we want to fish, go ahead.
Another wing.
There's a lot. Because it rains. When it rains, there's a lot of worms.
What?
It's a lot of worms.
How the worm sleep?
How they sleep? I don't know. I think they
I
just...
put my glasses on.
You want to put it down? Put it right here.
No. Give me keep quiet. Oh my God.
Oh my God. All right, come. Auntie got to put these in the ground. You want to help me?
Yep.
You want to help?
Yep.
You can do this one.
Where?
Wait. Let's put this. This is onion. Onions.
Onion.
Yes.
Yummy.
You like onion?
Yep. Onion.
Auntie gonna make you plant.
What is this? Hey, what is this?
That's the stick. You could throw it in the bush. Oh. Throw the stick up in the bush. There you go.
A big stick.
Oh
my
yeah,
God.
that one can't come out. Look at these worms. It's a lot. I wonder if
Let me
they're
see.
gonna...
Let me see.
Oh, I tried.
Why you taking the worm?
I know. I'm sorry. I don't take the worms no more. Here.
Got the worm. I want.
Give him to you? You
the,
want
the
all?
worm? The worm no like water, right?
Well, the worm's gonna try to eat my plant, so I don't want them to be in my area.
The worm, the worm cannot bite you.
No, they can't. I don't. They can't bite me.
The worm eats the plant, right?
Yes.
And what? And the
Oh.
ground.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, you smart, boy. That's a good question.
Another worm. Oh, come on, worm. Over here.
Oh,
I
wow.
want that worm and go over here.
All right, so you ready to plant now? Are you ready?
There your family. That's the family.
Yeah, that's the family.
Another worm.
Which part?
Oh, not the
Right here. Right here.
Oh, me! Ah!
Oh, it's a baby.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, it's a baby.
Right here. See?
A baby!
I'm not going to kill him, but I don't want him near me.
Hey, no.
I know, I'm sorry.
The worm cannot
That one
swim,
ma-
right?
That one made me squirm.
The worm no can talk. And the worm can... You're strong, right?
Yeah, strong.
And me too.
Yeah. You gonna plant something or what? See this? This is potato, okay?
Potato?
Yes. I want you to come plant this today.
Where? It's also cookie. Yeah.
Come plant it here. I want
Sorry,
you
worms.
to come plant it. Oh, see, they got a lot of sticks in the ground.
What's that?
This? My keys from my car. I gotta go check the mail, but I'd never check the mail because I see some planting. Yes, I see.
A worm. Where's the worm go?
All right, here's what you're going to do.
Where's the worm
This
go?
potato like to be planted deep, so we're not gonna plant this one yet. No, we're gonna give you a tomato. Ooh, look at this one. It's a baby.
A baby?
Come.
Where, baby? Where?
Just put it here
Where?
and cover it.
Where?
Right there. In it. Cover it. Boy, you guys still there?
Look!
Bumbleclad.
I saw something.
The universe bring me a young child.
I saw something.
Oh, that's nice. See one next worm here.
Oh my God.
Got my little buddy. I come with... What happened?
It's so fat.
Oh, it's fat. Look at him. Look at him. He's trying to run.
Huh? He don't like the people.
No, he don't like people touching.
No.
He might try to get you. He gonna come get you. I'm gonna come
He's
get
so
you.
fast, right? He's so fast, right?
Huh? He fast. Yeah, he fast.
The worm is not fast, right? The worm is go slow.
Okay, so
Not fast.
I gotta go deeper.
The worm is go fast.
Auntie gotta
Hey,
finish.
hey.
Huh?
The worm is
I know. Wow.
and the worm is go like this.
I gotta go deeper.
Hey,
Yes, baby.
look.
Oh,
The worm is go like this.
he did that?
Yeah.
And he died?
Like a caribou.
Yeah.
Like a caribou.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ugh.
He a caribou. Look up, a big, a long. Look.
Oh, he's long.
Yeah.
He's big.
Yeah.
He's looking for his family.
Huh?
Maybe he's looking for his family.
Where is his family?
I don't know.
Hey, stop throwing the worms.
No, I'm not throwing worms. I'm throwing sticks.
Oh.
I need to dig deep for my potato.
The worm, like, no.
Potato need like
Hey,
6 feet.
Hey,
Yes.
the worm cannot swim, right?
No.
The worm and no can swim.
I don't think so. No.
The
Nope.
worm cannot swim, right?
Nope. I don't think they can swim. Nope. Can worms swim? That's a good one.
What is that?
Oh, I hear the baby.
A
Auntie,
garbage!
I gotta wrap it up.
A garbage!
Huh?
A garbage!
The garbage?
Yeah, look!
Oh, there? I see.
And we, I think it go like this. It go like this.
Oh, that thing do that?
Huh?
Hey, look, you see
I-
babies?
Hmm?
You see? Everybody's watching. Have
Yeah.
mercy.
Everybody, watch. Wait.
I'm gonna make. All right, so I gotta wrap it up. I got to.
My friend do like that.
I got to wrap it up. Potatoes. This potato's gonna go deep in the ground. I'm trying to level the ground now. The potato gotta go deep.
See?
Yeah.
Hey, what is this? A
Potato.
garbage! A garbage, look!
Oh, throw that.
Oh, I miss it. Oops, sorry, little plant.
All right, so I know what's gonna happen with this potato. Okay.
My chair dirty.
Dig it in.
I think.
I said I wasn't gonna plant potato on the ground, but I had 2 extra potatoes, so I'm gonna plant it.
Whoa, what is that?
I'm gonna dig deep.
Wow! Oh my gosh! I saw something.
What you see, baby?
I saw a bird and a butcher.
Oh yeah?
I saw a bird. It go like this. The bird it do this like this.
Whoa.
And the bird it plats. I went down and the water down and up, The water go like that.
Oh
It
yeah?
felt him really.
All right. So I know it takes time. This is gonna be a daily thing. Right now, I built it kind of shallow, but now that I decided that I'm gonna put some potato in the garden, I'm talking to people. Now that I decided that I'm gonna put some potato in the garden, I have to dig it a little bit
The
deeper.
plant not go like that. The egg go like there. Not the plant. The egg go like there.
Yeah.
Not the plant.
Try not to step in my area that I already
What?
cultivated.
When you eat your food, you gotta do it your hand.
Yes.
But what's your hand, right?
Like-
When you count it, and when you count it, and when you pick the trash, and when you count it, and
Well?
worms,
Where?
big worms.
Where?
Look.
Oh, you can have him.
Pero I say he's fat. Look.
Oops. Gotta be careful. Auntie is digging.
It's a fat.
Ah!
Again.
I gotta throw him. Sorry.
Hey,
I
stop.
know.
I say stop.
You want all of the worms?
Huh? Because the worm not can swim, right? The worm cannot swim, right?
No,
No.
I don't think so. No.
And why you throw it in the water?
Well, actually, I don't know. Cause guess what? When I'm in Jamaica, we get worms out of the sand, and we put the worm on the hook, and we get a piece of lead, and we put it, and we fish in the beach, and the worms, they be in that water. I don't know if they swimming, but
Hey,
they kind of be dead a little bit too. So, yes.
all of the people have a map on.
Yes.
Why do people have a map? My mom have a map.
You want to know why?
My mom have a map.
Because right now, you have something in the ear. And something that...
My mom have a map.
She got a mask too? That's...
He went his house. He have it in the house.
People got masks on to keep the germs out.
For the worms.
Protect themselves from germs.
And a lot of things.
Boy, to Oma see so much worm. Wonder how this gonna go for real.
I say stop doing the worms.
Auntie's. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry.
Because the worm cannot swim. Because the worm and not can swim, right? So I told you.
Oh, sorry, I forgot, baby. I'm not gonna throw no more. Right now, we're gonna put the potatoes in.
The plant is called wearing.
We're gonna put potatoes in the ground.
Hey.
See, with potatoes.
One potato.
Let me show you. With potato, all you have to do is put it down in the ground. Just like this too. Believe you me. Put it in the ground just like this. This is the actual potato that I cut off the eye, and then the eye turned green, and it became something, and now I'm putting it into the ground. And you can cover it, believe it or not. Cover it, because the green is going to push right through. It's the most amazing thing. Okay? Okay, another one. I got another potato. Where is it? I don't know where it goes. Where's the other potato? I don't know where I
Where's the
buried it.
potato go?
I was gonna give it to you, and then I move it. I don't know, but that's a potato. I'm gonna leave it. Potato, onion, tomato.
No worms. And no worms.
That's it for today. Tomorrow is another day, and I take up no more of your time. Later.